Hello, Kalibo. Kaya dahil nagabi ka ito na tanan. Ilang adlaw lang, Christmas yun. Damang-damaw natin. Huwag na po mga Christmas party, mga invitation. Watong saywal, kapang gutok yun. Buabong kangay. Pero di bali after tayo Christmas season na rin, ati-atihan man ito atong pahauman. Masadsad kita ito, paugat at history together with Bamboo for the first time in Kalibo. Small Laude will be coming to Kalibo also to promote Kalibo. Then, ibang lineup, gina-final pa naman na ano. Actually, I don't know if I would be excited. I am opening of lights because so among ginmitingan with the engineering, with Vice Mayor, with the SB, opening of lights. Galing, nakikita naman sa social media, kung nabinantayan, fountain. Ano nga ni Mako na bid na paalin, Mako na itong matapos daya. Ang bago sa engineering, sa contractor ay mekos-mekos lang Mako ninyo yun, agad makahabol, makagagas. Then fortunately, together with the help of Vice Governor Kim po kainan, nagtawag ako kay Vice Gov, kay Mambili, and Engineer Ligio Oreta, nakabuligit sanda sa pagbutang itubig dahil instead na magbalik-balik o fire truck, 20 ka balik ay yung paggamit ng daro fire hydrant. Salamat git, Vice Gov, together with your wife, Mambili, and Engineer Ligio Oreta. Salamat git, agad ma-witness it Kalibunhon, the first ever fountain iya sa Pastrana Park. Sa Makaron, ang magandang balita sa Kalibo, Makaron, matawhay man kami na ano, dayang opening of lights na Makaron. Okay, pamatawhay, siguro next year, magulo na, masanga, din tanan, naka-file yun. Buumang bayanatan ka to, fake news, trolls, because election season yun man. Daya matawhay pa, but kung makita ninyo sa under my administration, sa opisina, we don't talk about politics. If you ask my inner circle, my staff, the employees, hindi po namin pinag-uusapan ng politika, hindi namin pinaghahandaan kung sino yung among kontra or makalaban. What we're doing is, we're thinking, gaisip kami mga programa, doon do among ginaproblemahan kung paalin namon, mapanami do Banwang Kalibo, ano parupuyang iya sa Banwang Kalibo, kung paalin namon maayos, upang abuhi, itbawat sambilo. Yes, abong award makaroon do Kalibo, SGLG passer kita, may individual awards, may award do LGU, but these are only trophies, pangalan, titles. Yeah, proud kita, but our ultimate goal is to make the life of each Kalibunhon a better one. Bawat sambilo, matawan ang trabaho, because LGU, hindi namon kaya tawaan, tanan, itrabaho tanan. So, kinanghan namon, mag-uso it mga industriya na mas makapataas the way of living it bawat Kalibunhon. So together with Vice Mayor, the provincial government, next year, the Mercado after the Ati-Atihan, the Fundación Imao, Dayang Shopping Center, with the PPP, Victory Mall. So siguro mas madugangan, matawaan na mo trabaho o bawat Kalibunhon. That is our ultimate goal. Makita ninyo sa opisina, no politics involved, regardless, kung kaapin or kontra, wag na mo dyan tanan, everyone can join our insights, our meeting. Doon pa lang, di ko magpabaon, so ito, tanan, excited yun. Sagamatan niya na ako, si Governor Nora Flores, Vice Governor Kimpo, Congressman Carlito Marquez, Vice Mayor, with the fellow SB members, the department heads. Because Bagong Kalibo is not only me. Bagong Kalibo is the whole LGU, and each and every Kalibunhon is a part of it. And we are a listening government. You can give comments, suggestions, kung ano, kung among kakuyangan, open do among munisipyo magpamatik kinyo. Because Kalibo has 88,000 population. Imagine, divided by 2, let's say 44,000, subuon ako. I'm not a perfect leader. Hindi na akong kaya matuman tanan. Kung ginuo nga ni po ang anang sugo, hindi ko pa matuman tanan, how much more libong sugo pa, di ba? Honestly, I'm not a perfect leader, but I am open to suggestion, comments. We can talk about it. The message to each and every Kalibunhons, advance Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all. God bless Bagong Kalibo. Salamat gate sa pagkain ninyo pagsuporta sa akong administrasyon. Salamat gate.